Welcome to Draw Repair channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add emergency contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to safety and emergency. After that go to emergency contacts and here it is. From here you can add emergency contacts. If you want to add a new emergency contact, just tap on add emergency contact option and then choose the contact that you want to add on the lock screen. If I select this, then tap on done and it's done. Now you have to enable show on lock screen option from here and it's done. Now if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, then tap on emergency call option. And that's it. You can see in my phone emergency contacts has been added successfully. Emergency contacts help you in your emergency situation. Even your phone is locked. If you want to make any emergency call, just choose the contact. Then tap on OK and here it is. And that is how you can add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.